Hello, my name is Kirti Dingna and I along with my teammate Isha Agarwal participated in ENY case study championship. I am going to present our case analysis given to us on Orion Group, which is an Indian multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Mumbai, India. The group has three subsidiaries across different sectors such as IT, steel, automotive. The parent company has 2500 crore INR, which they want to allocate 500 crore to its subsidiaries and 2000 crore to invest in debt, equity, or mutual funds. So, this is the executive summary of the case. So, we have allocated 400 crore to the IT subsidiaries and because of its excellent financial performance and return, and rest 100 crore to automotive sector because there is expected recovery chances in economic activity post the pandemic, which will improve the credit rating and liquidity of the group. Coming on how to measure the risk. So for this, we have to timely monitor the performance and prepare a contingency plan from projected budget. At first, we have to identify the risk, evaluation and handling, and then controlling given in the slide. For 2000 crore allocation, we have planned to allocate funds in the mutual debt fund for short term as well as long term. And we have preferred government banks as they are less risky and give good returns as compared to 10-year GSEC rate. We have allocated these factors keeping three factors in mind: liquidity, security, and return. To control this risk, there are various indicators available like alpha, beta, Sharpe ratio, standard deviation, and various platform also. One of them is A1 tracker, which helps in monitoring the performance and take timely actions. Coming to current policy parameters, as per ratings given to the security, minimum and maximum limit of investing is appropriate, but there is no parameter decided for the returns that what will we get for the investment we have done for 3 to 7 days or 7 to 30 days. So for that, it's not appropriate. There is no such thing given in the case that we have to allocate that funds to subsidiaries or reinvest that funds. I hope so. I have cleared all my points. Thank you, ENY, for such an opportunity. And it was a great experience to work for this case. Thank you.